I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are going around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, no, I'll find you in my dreams.
Let's have a bit of fun.